The robotaxi market is set to explode, with projections indicating a meteoric rise from $1.71 billion in 2022 to a staggering $118.61 billion by 2031, growing at a jaw-dropping 80.8% CAGR. But amidst this frenzy, one company stands poised to dominate like no other: Tesla. With its groundbreaking full self-driving FSD technology continually improving, Tesla is widening the gap between itself and its competitors, leaving companies like Waymo and Beidou scrambling to catch up. If Elon Musk's vision becomes reality, Tesla's robotaxi fleet could soon redefine urban mobility and send its stock price soaring to unprecedented heights. Buckle up, because Tesla is about to shift the future of transportation into high gear. Tesla is no stranger to disruption. It revolutionized the electric vehicle industry, and now it has its sights set on the robotaxi market. At the core of Tesla's strategy is its full self-driving FSD technology, a complex AI system that's miles ahead of anything the competition has to offer. While other companies rely heavily on LiDAR and radar, Tesla is betting on a vision-based system, leveraging an immense dataset collected from millions of miles driven by its fleet. This approach allows Tesla to constantly refine and improve its software, inching ever closer to true autonomous driving. And as this technology advances, Tesla is not just participating in the robotaxi race, it's redefining the rules entirely, setting a pace that no one else can match. The global robotaxi market is on the brink of a massive transformation, and the numbers tell a compelling story. Expected to grow at an astonishing 80.8% annual rate over the next decade, this sector is set to redefine urban mobility. With cities across the globe struggling with congestion, pollution, and safety concerns, robotaxis present a game-changing solution. They offer a promise of reduced traffic, lower emissions, and safer roads, all while cutting down transportation costs. Governments are increasingly supportive, with regulations favoring autonomous vehicle trials and investment in smart infrastructure. For Tesla, this isn't just an opportunity, it's a goldmine waiting to be tapped. As the demand for autonomous, energy-efficient vehicles soars, Tesla's advanced FSD technology positions it perfectly to seize the lion's share of this burgeoning market. With its unmatched ability to scale production and innovate rapidly, Tesla is not just riding the wave, it's shaping the future of the robotaxi industry. Tesla's dominance in the robotaxi space isn't just about ambition, it's about technology that no one else can rival. At the heart of this edge is Tesla's full self-driving FSD system, which uses advanced neural networks and real-time data from millions of Teslas on the road. While other companies struggle to gather enough data for training their autonomous systems, Tesla has built a massive data pipeline that continually feeds its AI, enabling the company to improve its FSD capabilities faster than anyone else. Moreover, Tesla's unique approach to autonomy focuses on vision and artificial intelligence rather than relying solely on expensive LiDAR systems, making their technology more scalable and cost-effective. Continuous over-the-air updates allow Tesla vehicles to learn and adapt in real time, something no other automaker has mastered at this scale. This relentless iteration and improvement mean that Tesla is not just keeping up, it's setting the pace. This technological lead, combined with Elon Musk's relentless drive to push boundaries, means that Tesla isn't just participating in the robotaxi race, it's engineering a seismic shift in how we think about transportation. As FSD technology continues to improve, Tesla's robotaxi fleet could become the cornerstone of its future growth, with a service that is cheaper, faster, and safer than any human-driven alternative. While Tesla speeds ahead with its vision-based FSD technology, its competitors are hitting roadblocks. Companies like Waymo and Beidou, which were once seen as frontrunners in the robotaxi race, are now grappling with significant hurdles. Waymo, for example, relies heavily on a combination of LiDAR and radar, making its system incredibly costly and complex to scale. Despite being one of the earliest players in the autonomous vehicle space, Waymo's progress has been hampered by these high costs and limited deployment areas. Their focus on creating a perfectly mapped and controlled environment for their vehicles has slowed their expansion and limited their ability to adapt to unpredictable real-world conditions. Baidu, on the other hand, has faced similar issues compounded by stringent regulations in China and a challenging economic environment. While their Apollo project shows promise, they've struggled to move beyond pilot programs and limited deployments. Both companies are also wrestling with regulatory obstacles as governments worldwide remain cautious about approving fully autonomous vehicles for widespread use due to safety concerns and liability issues. This regulatory uncertainty is delaying commercial rollouts and creating an uneven playing field where only the most agile and well-resourced companies can thrive. In contrast, Tesla's data-driven approach and rapid iteration give it a significant advantage. While others struggle with cost and complexity, Tesla's vertically integrated model and scalable technology put it in a league of its own. Competitors may still be on the road, but Tesla is in the fast lane with no signs of slowing down. The COVID-19 pandemic was a curveball that threw many industries off track, and the robotaxi sector was no exception. Development timelines were delayed, investments were put on hold, and companies like Waymo and Cruise had to pause testing and lay off staff. The pandemic-induced semiconductor shortage hit hard, further stalling the progress of autonomous vehicle technology, which relies heavily on these chips for advanced sensors and computing systems. However, while many players were forced to retreat, Tesla kept moving forward. Unlike its competitors, Tesla managed to navigate these challenges by leveraging its robust supply chain management and vertical integration. It ramped up production, continued testing, and even expanded its FSD beta program during this turbulent time. The pandemic, rather than being a setback, became a proving ground for Tesla's resilience and ability to innovate under pressure. Moreover, the shift in consumer behavior due to the pandemic, favoring personal transportation over public transit, has only strengthened the case for Tesla's robotaxi vision. As cities reopen and people look for safer, more convenient travel options, Tesla's autonomous vehicles could meet this demand perfectly, potentially accelerating the adoption of robotaxi services. In an industry where others were forced to hit the brakes, Tesla has kept its foot on the accelerator, poised to emerge stronger and more dominant than ever in the post-pandemic world. Tesla's potential dominance in the robotaxi market isn't just a technological feat, it's a financial game changer. Analysts are predicting that the robotaxi business could contribute to a significant portion of Tesla's future earnings, with some estimates suggesting that 90% of the company's enterprise value by 2029 could be driven by this new venture. ARK Invest, known for its bullish stance on Tesla, has set an eye-popping price target of $2,600 per share by 2029, primarily based on the success of its robotaxi fleet. The reason for this optimism is simple. The economics of robotaxis are incredibly compelling. Imagine a fleet of autonomous Teslas operating 24/7, generating revenue around the clock without the cost of a human driver. With operating expenses drastically reduced and utilization rates maximized, profit margins could soar. Each Tesla robotaxi could potentially generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in annual revenue, turning each vehicle into a cash-generating asset. If Tesla can achieve full autonomy and scale its robotaxi fleet, the impact on its stock price would be monumental. We're talking about a potential trillion-dollar market opportunity that could dwarf the company's current valuation. As ASFT technology progresses and regulatory barriers fall, investors will be eyeing Tesla's every move, knowing that the stakes and the potential rewards have never been higher. Tesla's leap ahead in the robotaxi race isn't just due to its bold vision. It's also thanks to its groundbreaking technological innovations. The company's full self-driving, FSD, suite integrates a variety of advanced systems that make its vehicles more autonomous, reliable, and safer than ever before. Key to this technology is Tesla's custom-built hardware and a suite of sensors, including cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and an AI-powered computer known as the Autopilot Hardware 3.0. While many competitors rely on costly and cumbersome LiDAR systems, Tesla's approach is different. It has developed a vision-based system that uses high-definition cameras and advanced neural networks to understand and navigate complex driving environments. This enables Tesla to gather a massive amount of real-world data, which is crucial for training its AI and continuously improving the system's capabilities. Tesla's innovation doesn't stop there. Its vehicles are equipped with a powerful FSD computer capable of processing vast amounts of data in real time to make split-second decisions. The use of Dodo, Tesla's custom supercomputer, further accelerates the training of its neural networks, giving it a unique edge in the development of true autonomous driving. Moreover, Tesla's over-the-air OTA software updates allow for rapid deployment of new features and improvements, enabling all Tesla vehicles to stay at the cutting edge of autonomous technology. These updates have transformed Tesla cars from mere vehicles into platforms that evolve and improve over time, a concept no other automaker has fully realized. These innovations not only make Tesla's robotaxi service more feasible, but also position the company as the clear technological leader in the race towards a fully autonomous future. As Tesla continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with FSD, it's not just widening the gap with its competitors, it's redefining the future of transportation. Tesla's vision for its robotaxi fleet is as ambitious as it is revolutionary, but its success hinges on one critical factor: consumer adoption. Fortunately, Tesla has cultivated a loyal and tech-savvy customer base that's uniquely positioned to embrace this shift. Early adopters of Tesla's vehicles have already shown a willingness to test and trust the company's innovative technology, making them the perfect candidates for the first wave of robotaxi users. Tesla's strategy for market expansion is clear. Start with major urban centers where demand for ride-hailing is high and congestion is a daily struggle. Cities like San Francisco, Los Angeles, and New York, with their dense populations and progressive regulatory environments, are prime targets. As Tesla deploys its robotaxi fleet in these key markets, it plans to leverage its existing network of superchargers and service centers to support the rollout, ensuring a seamless experience for users. But Tesla's ambitions don't stop at the borders of the United States. The company is eyeing international markets, with Asia and Europe being high on the list. In regions like China, where urban populations are booming in Europe, with its stringent emissions regulations, Tesla's robotaxis could become the go-to option for sustainable, efficient urban transport. Consumer education and trust will be crucial in this expansion. Tesla is likely to offer attractive pricing and incentives for early users, along with transparent safety data to build confidence in its autonomous system. By gradually expanding its service areas and incorporating user feedback, Tesla aims to fine-tune its robotaxi operations and ensure a smooth transition from human-driven ride-hailing to fully autonomous services. If Tesla can successfully navigate the complexities of different regulatory environments and demonstrate the reliability of its technology, it won't just capture a share of the ride-hailing market, it will transform it. With a growing fleet of autonomous vehicles and a clear strategy for scaling operations, Tesla is on track to make robotaxis an integral part of urban mobility worldwide. All eyes are now on Tesla as it prepares for the launch of its first fully autonomous robotaxi fleet, a moment that could mark the beginning of a new era in transportation. Elon Musk has called this upcoming reveal a most significant event since the launch of the Model 3, and for good reason. This isn't just another product launch, it's the culmination of years of relentless innovation and the first real step towards a world where human drivers are no longer needed. The potential impact on Tesla's stock price and market valuation could be monumental. If Tesla successfully deploys its robotaxi service, it would not only disrupt the traditional ride-hailing industry, but also set a new standard for autonomous mobility. This move could generate billions in new revenue streams, catapulting Tesla to new heights and further solidifying its position as a leader in both the automotive and technology sectors. But the stakes are high. Investors, regulators, and the public will be watching closely. Success would validate Tesla's ambitious vision and its technological prowess, potentially transforming the company into the first true leader in autonomous transport. However, any setbacks could shake investor confidence and give competitors a chance to catch up. As the countdown to the launch begins, anticipation is reaching a fever pitch. If Tesla delivers on its promise, it won't just dominate the robotaxi market, it will redefine what's possible in the world of transportation. Get ready, because Tesla is about to make history.